Hi, sunshine. Welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started in Shavasana. Lie down on your back. Relax your legs and your arms. Feel free to close your eyes and just take a couple deep breaths. Make your way into a butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together with your knees far apart. Relax your legs and your hips. You have the option to place your hands on your low belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Use your hands to slowly close your legs together. And gently hug your knees into your chest. Keep your right leg right where it is, but begin to straighten your left leg onto the mat. It does not have to be completely straight, but if it is, make sure the foot is flexed. And start to bring that right knee out towards the right shoulder, maybe taking some circles with your right foot. Guide your right knee across your body, coming into a supine twist, reaching your right arm out to the side. Come back to center, and let's switch knees, bringing that left knee into your chest, and you straighten the right leg down onto the mat, pulling that left knee toward the left shoulder and taking some circles with your left foot. Make your way into your supine twist.
Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, sip champagne, watching purple rain. Bodies insane, how could you complain? Plus I know you love.
Come back to center. Let's pull that right knee in with the left, and then straighten both legs up to the ceiling and flex your feet, pressing your heels up. Maybe you grab behind your legs and pull them closer towards you. Bend your knees a little bit so that you can roll or rock all the way up to a seated position. Straighten your legs in front of you. Reach your arms all the way up. Forward fold, reach for your legs or your toes as you relax your upper body. Let's make our way onto our hands and knees for a tabletop position. Cow pose. Drop your belly as you look up at the ceiling. Cat pose. Round your spine. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. Back to your cow pose. And your cat pose. Let's make our way onto our belly. Lower all the way down. Baby cobra, lift your chest a couple inches off the mat, looking down and squeezing your shoulders together. Squeeze everything. And lower down. Open your legs a little bit wider and come into a full cobra, straightening your arms and dropping your head back if that feels good. Let's end in a child's pose, sending your hips back onto your heels. Relax your forehead, reach your arms forward. Take a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. You made it all the way to the end of class, so don't forget to leave a sun emoji in the comments to check in. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.